Here's an example of how you can run a SORH PIMs report in TrueServe. Start by going over to Reports from the top navigation. From there, you're going to select the date range you wish to report on. So I'm going to go July 1, 2013 to June 30th, 2014. Next, we're going to filter our items. The filters you select will depend on how your office has entered TA encounters into TrueServe. I'm going to give you an example of how most SORHs have their site set up. But if your site is set up differently, you'll need to adjust your filters accordingly. So I'm going to begin by filtering by activity type and select Technical Assistance. I'm then going to go down to Programs and Goals and select SORH. Next, we're going to move over to Step 4, Select Output. And here we're going to select to see a bar chart that shows us the modes of the activities, the different organization types of organizations we've worked with, and I'm going to also select to see an organization list. Now I'm going to go to Step 5, See Results. And at the top of my report page, it's showing me a summary of all the criteria I've put on this report. So I've got my date range at the top, and it looks like I'm filtering by technical assistance involving SORH. If I drop down below, I can see there are 19 records that match my search. And here's where I can get some of that information for the SORH PIMs report. I can see my activities by mode, how many occurred face-to-face, by phone, by email. And if I prefer to see that information in just a spreadsheet, I can click on that icon. And then I can get the different types of clients we provided TA to, or organizations that we provide technical assistance to. So here I can see there were 8 different community health centers, 3 different health departments, and these are unduplicated numbers of different organizations. So if I drop down to the organization list just as a reference, I can look at these 8 different community health centers. So I'll drop down to Community Health Center and see a listing of who those community health centers are and how many times we worked with each one of them. And then if I go to the bottom of my report page, I can see a full listing of all the activity records included in this report.